Yes, you're right. Last year we were able to fly business class multiple times for only $56 per ticket.
If you love traveling smart, saving money, and also upgrade your experience, this one is for you. Last year, we flew one of the best airlines, Singapore Airlines, from Shanghai to Bali and back for just $250 in total and 180,000 points of Aeroplan.
Of course, we needed the points, and we've gotten pretty good at earning them. And today we're gonna show you how we do it.
Every year, we manage to get a long-haul flight in business class for a price cheaper than economy.
We are simply follow a 6-rule method, and today we're gonna explain you every single one to reach this. Rule number 1. The credit card is the engine. The majority of our points didn't came from flying, but they came from credit card, from bonuses of when we open new account of credit cards, and after just by using it.
Most of the banks in North America issue credit cards linked with Aeroplan. You can get standard card or premium card. The standard card usually comes with a smaller fee. Sometimes you can even waive the fee, but also it comes with smaller bonuses. The premium card, they seem to have a very expensive card fee annually. The welcome bonus and the points that you can accumulate from daily purchases is way different from standard cards.
Do you know that when you apply for a credit card, the welcome bonus can cover almost a full business class ticket?
And here is something very simple but powerful. We use our credit cards for almost every single purchase as long as it's possible.
Groceries, gas, flights, online shoppings, bills, whatever we can put on that credit card, it's gone there.
We don't spend just to get the points, we just redirect the spending we're already doing.
Golden rule, use credit card whenever it's possible and you will unlock trip faster.
Rule number 2, use Aeroplan eStore every time. Just last November, we got a total of 70,000 points from a simple purchase of furniture. We needed the furniture, we just waited until Aeroplan has the promotion for points to order them.
We are purchasing almost everything online right now because it's really convenient. But whenever we need to do a purchase, we always check on the eStore if they have some promotions, if they have some good deals on points. Sometimes like you can get 12 times the points, 15 times the points, even 18 times the points for some purchase on some store like even Amazon. And so when we need to buy something, we are always waiting for the good time. Of course, we are not only looking for that, so if we find a good price somewhere else, we're gonna buy it. But if we can use the eStore, we always go through that. It's really easy. You just go on the eStore website from the Aeroplan website, you click on the link and you're gonna choose your shop. And whenever you choose the shop, you just click on the link, you're gonna be redirected to the shop and you can make the purchase and you're gonna get the points in a few days.
Golden rule number 2, wait for promotion before making your purchase, if that can wait.
Rule number 3, connect all kind of accounts like Uber, Starbucks, and all the other accounts that we can connect with Aeroplan.
Especially Uber Eats. If you use Uber Eats often, it's gonna give you a lot of points when you just like make orders once a while.
And of course, if you pay with credit card, you're gonna get the points from the credit card and the points from the Uber promotion. It's the same as the eStore. When you order from the eStore, you're gonna get the points from the credit card and the promotion. So basically, you stack everything.
Rule number 4, manufacturers spend carefully. There are some things that you can't really pay with credit cards, but now there's a way to pay them with your credit cards. For example, platforms like Chexi. Now we use Chexi to pay for all kinds of taxes, utility bills, condo fees, and you can also use it to pay for your rent.
So yes, you need to sign up on Chexi if you are not signed up yet. And you can also use the link that you will find in our description of the video to have an extra bonus with Aeroplan. Rule number 5, flexibility is key. You need to be flexible. You cannot find the flight of your dream from the closest airport or your preferred date, and also maybe the destination you are looking for. Sometimes maybe you want to go to Italy and you cannot find the flight to Rome, but you can go to Milan, for example. We always check Air Canada website whenever we want to plan a flight, and sometimes we are checking different times a day or different weeks as well. And sometimes we can find the flight that we are looking for. And also there are different third-party websites that are notifying you if a business class deals is coming out, like Romy. So we are also suggesting you to subscribe to this website.
Rule number 6, only redeem for high values. We almost never use our points to redeem for economy class ticket. Would you rather to use 40,000 points to redeem a $600 worth of ticket or 70,000 points for a $5,000 business class ticket? Also, points are not for saving $300 to redeem things that you probably already have. They are for unlocking experiences that you normally wouldn't pay for.
My first business class flight was redeemed with points with Turkish, and it was an amazing experience that I would have probably never done with money, because as a lot of people I wouldn't spend $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for a flight. But yeah, I unlocked this amazing experience, and now if I can fly business with points, why should I fly coach? That's a wrap for our rules. Of course, we didn't put maybe the obvious one, that is flying with Air Canada and Star Alliance members. That's because it's for what Aeroplan was created for, and we don't really feel like it's a golden rule, as should be just the norm. And also, these rules that we created are not about flying every month, are not about being rich. We are just being strategic, trying to optimizing how we spend our money. And it's also about how understand how the system works. So I think after a few years we are really good to play the game. And if we can do it, you can do it too.
Leave a comment on how you redeem your business class ticket. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you.